Do liquids also exert pressure? Yes. What is the pressure in liquid? A liquid in a container exerts pressure because of its weight. For example, if you try to put your finger over the end of the tap when it is in turn on, you can feel the pressure of the water in the pipe. Pressure exerted by liquids. Liquids exert pressure on the walls of the container. Liquids exert pressure on the bottom of the container. It depends upon the height of the liquid column. Liquids exerts sideways pressure. Liquid exert equal pressure at the same height. Liquid exert pressure which increase with the depth. By looking at these figures, we can say that liquids exert pressure on wall of the container and bottom of the container and the sideways of the container. In this way, the liquids exert pressure in all direction of the container. In this figure, see how a liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container. In this figure, liquid exert pressure on the bottom of its container, which depends on the height of the column. In this, liquids exert equal pressure at the same height. The last one is water pressure increases with depth. The deeper into the liquid you go, the greater the weight of the liquid above and the higher pressure. Can we measure the pressure on a liquid? Yes. There is an instrument used to measure liquid pressure. It's called as pressure gauge. The simplest form of pressure gauge is a manometer, which measures pressure difference. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is a pressure of air around us. Atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of the air. The weight of an air column of a height of the atmosphere and the area 10 cm into 10 cm is as large as 1000 kg. Such a high pressure is present in an atmosphere. Why do not we get crushed under this pressure? Reason is the pressure exerted by the fluids in our body is equal and opposite to the atmospheric pressure acting on our body, and thus it cancels the effect of the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer in millimeter of Hg. Next is air exert pressure in all directions. The steam inside the bottle has been condensed by cold water. The bottle now has very little air inside it. Then the atmospheric pressure acting on the bottle from outside is therefore much larger than that of the pressure exerted by the air inside it. This caused the bottle to get crushed. Therefore, we can say that air exerts pressure in all direction of the bottle.